Happy Merry Christmas Eve, everybody. Hold on, let me rotate the camera. Wait a minute. Okay, so I got the camera rotated. So happy Merry Christmas Eve, everybody. I hope everybody is having a great day so far. I hope everyone is ready for Santa. What did I just click on? Hold on. Okay, I'm back. So, what I wanted to do, and this is some I normally don't do, but I thought I would give it a try. So, what I wanted to do is pretty much go through all of these and show you first my saving challenges for next year. One we have is Chris, and hopefully I don't make nothing fall. So first we have Chris, thank God it's Friday, 2025 savings challenge. Not really sure what this equal up to. Chris have said many a times that when she make the challenges, she don't put or reveal how much they equal up to, because if we know how much they equal up to, that may make our mind change as far as, we may think that, oh, well, this is $2,000 and I know I won't be able to save that. So instead of going that route, Chris have it where we just save. So this is what it looks like. So in January, let's see if it'll show. So in the month of January, I will need to save 3, 10, that's 13, plus 17, plus 24, plus 31. Now, with me only getting paid bi-weekly, instead of me doing this weekly, what I can do is do the entire month together, or I can do 13 and 17, and then when I get paid again, do the 24 and 31. And this is what February looks like, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Wait, this is December. I guess I skipped a month, but this is what it looks like. So I'm hoping to be able to get through all of these with no worries. Honestly, I'm just excited that I was able to save money for Christmas. Christmas, Christmas, Christmas. Christmas comes every year at the same time, and we know it. So I'm just glad I was able to save money for Christmas. I'm definitely excited about that. So the next challenge we have is Kimmy's Disney's box challenge, and I went back to my Etsy order to double check and see. So I did get high income. Now I bought this challenge not last year, but I believe the year before that, and this is what they look like. So we have this. I'm done adulting, I'm going to Disney, and they pretty much just say the same thing over and over. With the high income challenge, it looks like I'll save between $12 and $30, which I'm okay with that. And if I can't save $30, what I can do is save half and then come back and finish the rest. Next, we have Cynthia and Cassie J. I had this when they first came out, and that's been a while ago. So here are some challenges that I haven't done, and a $10 bill that's fake. So this is what the challenge looked like. I got this when they first, like literally first stepped on the scene with creating things. So this is their bi-weekly challenge, and it's just labeled 1 all the way to, are they out of order? No. All the way to 26. But instead of me saving how it's intended to be saved for, what I'm going to do is just do, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way to 26 versus saving, let's say, $200 or etc. So I'm going to do that. And let me keep those out. Next, we have a Pink Cloth Life 12-month savings. So I did already start this last year, but I didn't finish, and it's okay. So what I want to do, and here are my stickers that I have yet to use, but I'll get back into it. Oh my goodness, hold on, stuff is falling. End of the month, I'm going to come back and actually count all of these and put these back in order so I can start again. Here are the numbers, so you can either save one of these, all of these, or just pretty much save what you got to the side. So there's that one. Well, shoot, that's it. Saving challenges, it just says don't buy unless they're all done. What that mean is, that mean I need to go through all of my challenges. So that means these right here. I have quite a few challenges, so for this I need to go through it. Now, just because I go through it doesn't mean I'm going to save exactly the amount. I may decide to say, well, I'm going to do all of these except for the last two rows or something like that. Then we have this challenge from Elba. We have this challenge from Elba. Isn't Panther cute? Now this, I could do this to add to the house fund. This is from Elba as well. But the last challenge I want to complete is this right here. So you all know I am a 90s baby. I want this to be the last challenge I do. So let me go ahead and put these back up. And these are challenges I've had over the years, by the way. And these challenges right here are some that I did get completed. Next, hold on. Next, we have the graduation binders. So I'm now officially going through my binders, but the focus would be these challenges right here. So for the graduation binder, I did tell my friend that I would start setting money aside, what I can, of course, for her twins. They are in the 9th grade right now, so I'm going to put these back in order starting at January. So we have June, pretty much all the way through the entire year. I did win this from Salisa over at Beautifully Me and You. She did one of these for her daughter when she graduated high school to give to her when she went off to college. So I won this, but I do want to fill it out. Next, we have more challenges and my month ahead binder. Of course, for a month ahead, it's going to take some time, and I need to go through with some alcohol to get rid of the writing right here. I did get this from Cash Bear Mama. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. So we have mortgage, electric, water, groceries, cell phone, medical, fuel, eating out, pets, automobile, internet, rent, insurance, a blank one, another blank one, another blank one, and that's it. And this is from Handmade by All Things Kimberly. So we have that. Next, for the binder, we have the travel binder, which is not that one, but this one. So instead of me throwing my binder away, I did decide to put these envelopes in. So I did get this from Gina Renee RM Budgets when she was selling some things to get rid of on her Instagram. So this is the dashboard I got to get away. We have transportation, lodging, food, shopping, activities. Next, we have end of life. I did get this from Gina Renee REM Budgets as well. So it just says end of life decisions should not be made at the end of life. So this is what it looks like. And we just have one for headstone, will / power of attorney, life insurance, cemetery plot, service. And I did put them into one binder. One, because this binder have bigger rings. Next, we have my self-care binder, which is all mine. So instead of me throwing this away, I'm reusing it. So we have self-care isn't selfish. We have wardrobe, wellness, pamper, luxury, personal care, and then we have beauty. So beauty for me would be my hair. Personal care, that's exactly what it is. For luxury, that would be for something I would want that's expensive, but I'm not really sure what that would be. Pamper, I can use this to get a massage or, go to the nail salon or whatever. So that's that. Next, we have the holiday binder. This is from Danny over at Simple Shops. Valentine's Day, Easter. Whoops. I have to stop hitting that light. Valentine's Day, Easter, Mother's Day, Memorial Day, Father's Day, 4th of July, Labor Day, Halloween, Thanksgiving, Black Friday, Christmas, New Year's, Veterans Day, Juneteenth, and then we have Cinco de Mayo. Y'all know I love tacos. And that's it. And in the back, we just have an empty envelope. So that's it for the holiday binder. And next, we just have my normal binders that I use daily. So we have the brown binder. So it just have an option for Capital One, Discover, Leaders Credit Union, Navy Federal. These envelopes right here is just to put money in to go back to the bank. And then we just have rollover cash, rent money. But as you all know, lately I've been keeping my rent money in my account and just getting a money order from Walmart when they're not busy. We have a month ahead, but this is just a plain envelope to use. And then we have my envelope, Jasmine, and one for Travis. Next, we have my black binder. And in my black binder, this is pretty much for saving challenges. So we have one envelope for saving challenges, starter ER fund, which is starter emergency fund. This is from Gina Renee. I haven't done this. This is a kid savings challenge. We have Save Your Age. We did finish Gina's challenge. We are working on Amanda's challenge now, and all of these other challenges that were in there are completed. Oh no, hold on. So that's it for all my binders that I have, which equals to 11 binders. Y'all, can you imagine that? Do you have as many binders as I do? Don't worry, we don't judge over here. So I have 11 binders that, not necessarily saying I'm going to get through all of them or anything like that, but I just wanted to show you all what I had. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that stack, y'all. Wow, that's crazy. Like, I can't make this up. Like, I really have 11 binders, but let me grab it. Nija from Budgeting the Bacon, thank you, thank you, thank you so much for the Cash App. Just look what the post office did to the envelope. Like, when I got it, it was just taped and this part was messed up. So let's see what Chris sent. And binders are falling. It just says Merry Christmas. Oh, what is this? I'll set that to the side. Very happy holiday is headed your way. Happy holidays, love, Chris. Chris, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Challenge, saving challenges dashboard. So I'll put this in my black binder. And have a great day. Have a Merry Christmas. Happy holidays to you all. Enjoy time with your family. Get a lot of pictures in, all of that. Hopefully the pets enjoy their presents as well. We did get Jasmine some things. Well, she got a lot of Christmas treats that are put up that we won't give her until tomorrow. So I may be able to record that, but I don't know how that's going to go. But